Hi, my name is David Bailey and this is Navigating Family Court. So who is this channel for? If one parent has stopped the other parent from seeing their child, or if both parents are seeing a child and maybe there's a co-parenting toxic cycle that needs to be broken, this platform is for you, and that's who we're here to help. So if you cannot afford a solicitor, you do not meet the threshold, so you're unable to get legal aid, we are going to show you how to navigate family court with simple step-by-step instructions. So I was going to give you one example. I'm working with a parent at the moment. They cannot get legal aid, they cannot afford a solicitor. So because they do not know where to even begin in the sense of how to get to family court, they've just literally not seen a child for like 7 years. So this platform is to try and get children to have a relationship with both parents. So what will Navigating Family Court cover? We are going to be covering things like mediation, filing court applications, legal terminology, which means long legal words and what they mean, writing court statements, how to deal with organisations such as CAFCAS, social services, how to deal with judges, magistrates, legal advisors, how to prepare if you're going to have a consultation with a solicitor, or if you're going to be involved with a solicitor in a sense they're going to represent you through your hearings. We're also going to look at your mental mindset, and it is literally just a platform with simple, basic, step-by-step how to represent yourself in family court. Quick disclaimer, this is not legal advice. I am not a solicitor. I am not a legal advisor. This platform is put together through my personal experience, from research, more research, a lot of research, public information, and talking to professionals. We also have professionals working behind the scenes to make sure that I provide you information that is as correct as possible. I highly recommend, if you can afford a solicitor to represent you through your whole court proceedings, I highly recommend this, because going to a court hearing, they are not going to take the emotions in that court hearing that you will. If you cannot afford a solicitor, that's completely fine. What you can do, what I also highly recommend, is through your court proceedings, is especially before you even go to the first hearing, is you can book a 1-hour consultation with a solicitor that is legally trained in family courts and family procedures, and get professional legal advice. I highly recommend this, because every single person's situation is different. So highly recommend, if you can afford a solicitor, please visit a solicitor, even if it's for that 1 hour. In the next video, we're going to be covering your mental state before going to court, because you are very important. We're going to cover tips that may help you, tips, methods, different things you can help mentally to prepare yourself to go to family court. Because family court, I'm going to pre-warn you now, it is draining emotionally and mentally. So we're also going to be covering in the next video how to articulate yourself and how to act on your emotions. But the mind frame I want you to go into these videos with is there's only one winner when it comes to family court, and that should be the child. This is not about one parent versus another parent. This needs to be child focused. So your mindset should be child focused. And that's the mindset you need to go into court with. I cannot stress this enough. Your focus is your child or your children, and we want what is best for the children or child. Because this darkness represents your low mood. This darkness represents